Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Techno Talks here. So today I have another unboxing for y'all, and this time it's going to be a different unboxing. Normally I haven't done any mouses on my channel yet, but this is going to be the first time I'm doing it. And I did go ahead and purchase the Razer DeathAdder Essential. So the main reason I got it was because I was looking for a new mouse and I found this mouse to be pretty cheap. It was around 50 USD and I got it for 20. I'm pretty sure it's still going on Amazon. I'll go ahead and leave a link down below in the description so you can check it out if y'all want to get a gaming mouse. So the mouse overall looks pretty good. I haven't read too many reviews about it, but mainly they're pretty good. I went on Amazon, read some other reviews, and it's around a 4 stars or 4.5 stars. I'm not sure. It's been a while since I checked it. It looks pretty good. It's what you'd expect from Razer. They usually have pretty good products, so nothing. You will not be disappointed. I believe so. I haven't tested it out yet, but this is going to be the first time, so I'm going to be a first-time user as well. So let's go ahead and check out the box a little. As you can see, we have a Razer logo on the top right, and we have our mouse right here, and then we have the name. I got the Mercury White Edition because I do have a white keyboard, and I just wanted to go like a set. On the left side, we have a Razer, and then the bottom, we just have the barcode, and then another Razer logo right there, and that's about it. So let's go ahead and unbox it. We have a pull tab right here. If I can manage to pull it, go ahead and take that and pull this off real quick. Okay, and before we check out anything else, let's look at the back. So the back says the Essential Gaming Mouse, proven history of performance as true 6400 DPI, classic ergonomic form factor, which is true. This does have an ergonomic form factor. We have 5 hyper response buttons. So I'm going to go ahead and check out all these for myself when I do take the mouse out, so we don't need to read too much of that. Let's go ahead and open this up. We're greeted with another box, which I guess we just pull out like this. And is there anything else? Nothing else. So let's put that to the side, and we have our mouse right here. Let's pull that, the cable right here. So this is a wired mouse. If you don't like wired mouses, then you should definitely not go for this. But if you don't mind it, go ahead and get this mouse. We have this little pouch that it comes in, I guess, for protection. And then the USB cable also has this little case. We have the green tint, what Razer always does with their products, which is pretty nice. This cable feels pretty durable. It has this fabric mesh around it, which will definitely protect it and keep it to last longer. And then we have our mouse. We're greeted with our mouse right here. So let's first go ahead and check out the 5 buttons that I was talking about. So we have one right here, then one up top here, and then the right and left click. So nothing too much, but these are what I'd mainly use, and most people mainly use these. So overall, if you have if your hands are pretty small, then this mouse is a little bigger. But for me, this mouse is the perfect size. As you can see, it fits my hands perfectly, and I'm able to use it without any pain, I guess, and without having to push my hand up. So pretty good. It is an ergonomic fit, and for me, for my hands, it is pretty enjoyable and easy to use. But if you do have smaller hands, you could go for a smaller mouse rather than this, but you could probably get used to it anyway, so it's not going to be too big of a deal. Other than that, there isn't too much to talk about this mouse. You can see the bottom right here, Razer DeathAdder Essential, and then the sensor right there, and some grips, some rubber grips on the bottom and 2 on the top. So other than that, nothing too much to talk about of this mouse. We do have some grips right here for your hand, which will make it easier to hold. And as I said, that's about it. Not too much to talk about a mouse anyways. They don't have too many differences from other mouses. So that's about it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.